Hello, my beautiful friends. Guess what came in the mail? I know it's going to be a good box because when it's a really good box, it comes in a big purple bag. When it's just like the box, it just has the stuff on it. So, all right, let's open it up, shall we? This is WeeBox from Scotland. There'll be a link below on how you can get your own WeeBox. All right, so it comes with a wee bookie, which is always really good. Tea fit for a queen, a castle built for love and a family together. So I'm going to guess that the theme is castles. All right, we have the newspaper. They always pack the newspaper, which I love because I love to see the news, but I also just like the upcycling of that, right? All right, so there's a whole... Oh, last month when I did my review, I was like, I wish they'd send me like the paper. They actually sent me like an uncut version of a piece with like some articles on it. Oh, they probably didn't do that on purpose, but thank you anyway, WeeBox. I write for a newspaper, so I'm always interested in newspapers. All right, what do we have in here? We have a candle, the Queen's Highland Garden. Oh God, that smells good. Here, you sniff it. You sniff it. Oh, that's really pretty. It's a pretty tin, too. What else do we have? We have, oh, Balmoral black tea. I am a tea junkie, so I'm already loving this box because, you know, the tea you can't smell the tea through it, but I like black tea, and that's really the kind of tea that I drink. All right, what is next? A wee wish from Scotland, proudly supporting the Prince's Trust. And it's a necklace. That's really pretty. It's either a necklace or a bracelet. That doesn't look long enough to be... I don't know. It's a necklace or a bracelet. It's too thin, so it's going to go on my wall of stuff. There's a big box in here. I love the way there's a big box. What's in the big box? What do you think's in the big box? It's not bagpipes. It's not a set of McCrae McCallum bagpipes. WeeBox, feel free to send me a stand of McCrae McCallum bagpipes. Just call up Stuart Little in Inverary. Tell me I have a special person that needs a stand of pipes. Oh, very cool. It is a mug for Queen Elizabeth. So, royalty is an interesting thing in Scotland because a lot of people don't like the royalty and some people do, and you know, it's same is true in Ireland, you know, but I think it's nice that WeeBox is paying tribute to the Queen in a very respectful way, right? This is a tea box, you know, it's not saying you have to love the Queen. Oh, I actually have another one of these. This is a jewelry bag. I have one from a previous box. They must have had extras, but they're pretty. And you put your jewelry in it. And that's really, really pretty. I don't think I put jewelry in mine. I think in my other one I have stones, crystals. So I can always use another bag for portable crystals. Well, this is a very nice bag. I really, really like it. So you've got the tea and the teacup and a candle. Wish my mom were alive because she would totally love that candle. My mother was English and she liked the Queen. They were all about the royal family, my family. I am for love and light, wherever that sits. Anyway, WeeBox, thank you for an amazing box again. Thank you for the newspaper. I'm gonna go read that now. I don't know what I did with the wee bookie. Did I put the wee bookie back in here? There wasn't anything I didn't understand what it was, but the wee bookie always has interesting stories, and there's links to to Spotify, to a playlist, and a podcast, and it's really worth it. The box is really, really worth it. It's a little pricey because of the shipping to the U.S., but I still find it. It's one of my favorite boxes. So. Thank you very much, WeeBox. For the rest of you, all the best and light love. Take care. Bye-bye.